In this video, I'm going to show you how to merge multiple PDFs into one. This is a simple and quick guide. And now without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So the first thing we need to do, so go ahead, open up any browser that you have available and that you prefer to use. And then after that, just type in IlovePDF, as you can see. Now go ahead, click on the first option, then click on Merge PDF Files. After that, just click on Select PDF Files and then choose the PDF files that you want to merge. Click on Add More Files if you want to add more. So go ahead, choose the second one, then click on Merge PDFs. And now you can go ahead, download them as you can see. And there you have it. Now your PDF files have been merged. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.